And good morning, everybody. Happy November 15th. It's mid-November 2025. You know what that means? It's time for the open house at the Columbia Gorge Model Railroad Club here on Vancouver in Portland. So we just opened up a few minutes ago. We've started our show, and we have plenty of people already inside. Figured that we'd start by starting from the outside so you can see where we're at. We're going to head on inside here to our entrance where we do ticket sales. And we have people here ready to help you out when you come in.
This didn't get done, this didn't get done.
Especially if the little one's loose.
All of our ticket sales people up here up front, our front house people,
Good morning.
ready to welcome you here to the Columbia Gorge Model Railroad Club show. We have it for the next 4 weekends here. So if you guys are ready to come on down and enjoy some model railroads and see what we've done, if you've been here before, you can see that we've changed the entrance up. We're going to come on inside. As you can see, we already have lots of guests here with their kids and families enjoying the show. If you haven't been here before, what you're experiencing is a representation of the Columbia Gorge in Portland. As you come in here, you're basically walking in the middle of the Columbia River. To the right, you're going to have the Washington representation, and to the left, you're going to have the Oregon representation.
So what do you say military?
4449. So see that.
We have our rail yard here and our turntable.
That's really interesting. You see the Southern Pacific cab forward, articulated steam locomotive. You can see the cab there, but instead of
You can see the turntable working there.
this way alongside
Situated for going out on the
the boiler, they're looking out the window.
Over here you have a 4449 coming by, going through the railroad crossing right here. Looks like it's carrying freight today. And you can see the buses running through the valley. Also, make sure you look when you come in. You're looking for little what we call Easter eggs. I'll give you a hint. There's one right over there. You notice the military going up that hill. Looks like a UFO has landed at someone's ranch up there. So they're going to investigate that. This area here is a representation of Washington. It's got lots of detail. Here comes that bus again, running down the road. But the really nice thing is you have all these little farms along here. And if you look closely, you can see chickens. And there's the 4449 going there. It is getting dark in here because we do have a day-night cycle. That day-night cycle will make it sort of daytime and nighttime here. All the lights in downtown Portland come on. There it is, getting a little bit darker. You can really see those lights show up out there. You gotta remember, every single one of those buildings out there is made by hand. And then they're all wired with the lights. Everything is done by hand. Nothing is pre-made and pre-assembled or anything. So this place has been done by artists, you could say. in the model makers and people who love and enjoy model trains.
Willie? Willie? Take a look at me, Willie.
We'll keep on walking here. Walking through downtown Portland over here. Hope the guests enjoy this also. Best part about this is seeing all the kids in here, just the eyes of wonder, and here with their families. This is a memory that's they're gonna keep for a while.
Where you can spend an inordinate amount of money. You know, fly fishing, you go on.
It is a little bit dark in here, so I just ask that if you do come, make sure you go nice and slow. Not only so it's a safety issue, but well, you don't trip, but also you can enjoy everything more. I think this is really beautiful at nighttime with all these lights that come on.
It's a big train.
What's his name?
And over here we have our logging division. I'm skipping a lot of stuff right now, but we'll come back later on and show this to you. This is a train at night. All its lights glowing. We have our logging division over here. These guys dumping logs and getting them ready to go to the mill. We'll come back in a little bit when it's daylight again and it's easier to see. This low light, it's really hard to see on the camera. But we'll be back and we'll show you more. Just remember, Columbia Gorge Model Railroad Club, we're open for the next 4 weeks through December 6th and 7th on the weekends. Purchase your tickets online at cgmrc.com. Purchase tickets ahead of time, that way we can, you got your seats here. And we're gonna end off by a train coming here through the tunnel at the God-Awful Gulch. Or Awful Gulch, I like to call it God-Awful Gulch, but here comes the train. Enjoy.
All right.